Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you step by step how to recreate this look. I'm starting with a clear face and I'm using two makeup primers. The first one is a hydrating makeup primer just to leave my skin hydrated, and I'm gonna go in with my pore makeup primer to close lash pores. And next up, I'm following up with my foundation. I'm actually using the NYX foundation, full coverage foundation, and you can use any foundation of your choice. And I'm following up with my concealer. I'm also using a NYX concealer. Yes, I love NYX. I love drugstore. So I'm just going to continue blending, and don't forget to look up when you're blending directly under your eyes to avoid creasing. After blending in my concealer, next is my contour. This is just what works for me. I go in with my foundation and then I go in with my concealer and then contour. You don't necessarily need to follow exactly what I do, but this is just what works for me. And I'm actually using a NYX liquid lipstick today as my liquid blush. I am obsessed with this orange liquid lipstick, so I tried using it as my blush today and I love it. And I'm setting my concealer today using my Huda Beauty Easy Baked setting powder. I'm using a shade just one shade lighter than my skin tone to set all my concealer. That's my under eye, forehead, bridge of my nose, and my chin. I'm doing this because I will be going back in with a lighter shade of setting powder to just brighten my under eyes. And next, I am also setting my contour with a powder bronzer, and I'm using this beautiful orange shade of blush from the Sephora's collection, and it's in the shade Fascinated. I use the same shade on my eyelid, and I'm also going back, like I told you guys, I'm using a brighter setting powder. This is actually Sacha Buttercup. I'm using that to set my under eyes because I want that bright yellow under eye to pair with my orange blush. Lip combo will forever be one of my favorite part of doing my makeup. This is so beautiful. I love creating like really cute, beautiful lip combos. So today I was excited about creating this one. I'm using my Sephora's retractable lip liner in the shade Molasses. This lip liner right here, if you have been following me, if you are like a long time subscriber, you know that this lip liner is one of my favorite, hands down. And currently there is a sale going on that you can get this with 30% off, so definitely make sure you check that out. I'm topping it with a lip gloss, a lipstick and a lip gloss, and this is the final look. This is gorgeous. This is simple. You can always recreate this by yourself with whatever products you have. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.